Don't feel sorry for her. Poor little girl ran away for good. I tried to explain why she won't say a thing, sad thing, and I'm so far away now. How can I say why she won't talk at all? She still drinks in the dark, the radio always left on late, and she saw Matt fight and break it all, 'cause she hated herself and she felt better off, 'cause she was always drunk.